moms. My name is Whitney, and I am a mother of 2 awesome little kids. And I have a question for you. So, how many times do you say no to your children about slime? A lot, don't you? Because we all have horror stories of slime being in hair, on our carpet, and cannot get it out. And just all of a sudden finding slime everywhere, and you're wondering, okay, I told my kids to put the slime on the table and it needed to stay there, but somehow our children find a way to get the slime somewhere else. So here recently I've been getting videos on my For You page on TikTok and in Facebook and Instagram about these slime videos, and they're so relaxing. You're just watching them spread it, and pop in and whatever. But I did some research, and slime is not just for children. Slime has really become so popular for adults. I have never in my mind imagined slime being that popular, because moms always try to avoid slime. So I am making this YouTube page for moms like me that are always like, no, I'm not doing slime. But I'm going to review so many slime shops that I've seen and see how they are. And honestly, moms, from the slimes that I've just tried, I don't know if I want my children to use it anyways, because I want to use it because they are so soft. It's amazing. And later on, I may do some reviews for other things. And also, I am going to do videos with my son to make slime. It may get a little messy. We'll see. But I hope y'all enjoy these videos of the reviews and everything. And subscribe, help me get these reviews through a lot of moms out there. Alright, let's get started. So my first purchase was from Razberry Slime Co. I'm trying to get it focused. Sorry, you can't really see it very well. But I wanted to try and see, because I've been seeing a whole bunch of slime shops, and this was my first shop. So let's kind of see what they got. Cute label that they have here. Alright, and they gave me a care package. So you see, let's open it up. They gave me candy and an activator spray, which is for whenever it's too sticky, you just spray it. And then of course their card, and it gives it the instructions on how to use the slime and how to keep it to last longer. So let's get started here. So first off, I have Sea Turtle Surf. Sorry, you can't see it. So again, this is the Sea Turtle Surf. So let's open it. Ooh. It's supposed to be like an icy slime. It's not sticky. Feels really soft. Let's take it out and see what it does. It spreads easily. Smells good. Comes with a turtle, a sea turtle. But man, it smells so good. It spreads. It feels so good in your hands. It's easy to kind of get the stickiness off right when you take your hands off of it. And again, remember, before you play with slime, any kind of slime, you need to wash your hands and maybe put some lotion on it. It helps so it's not as sticky. But again, they give us the activator to be able to kind of help it if it, because during transition it probably melts because of the heat and all, so it helps it activate it again. Has a nice touch whenever you do your finger pokes. This is incredible. It's nice and smooth and soft. I could play with this all day. I mean, you get a little bit here and there where it sticks to you, but it's okay. It's not bad. It's actually wonderful. It traveled very well. So let's try the other slime that I got. Put this inside, and then, okay, so this one is the watermelon Icee. So I'm excited to use it, or play with this. Oh, it has a watermelon little beads in there. There's some black to make it look like a watermelon. Not bad. It's not sticking, so it traveled very well. Got some bubbles that go with it. Feels just like the other one. Nice and smooth. So let's see how it stretches. Probably stretches the same. Stretches wonderfully. It smells like that bubble gum, that watermelon bubble gum that, I mean, I still try to get every now and then. Feels so good, not sticky. Again, it traveled awesomely. This is amazing. Honestly, I really don't want my kids to have this. It's wonderful. Great finger pokes. And it don't stick between your fingers like some slimes. And it spreads amazing. I love it. This is one of the slimes that I've been trying to master. Just playing, messing with slimes myself. But man, this is amazing. It looks like a watermelon because it has little black spots in there. Great quality. So that was my review. Awesome. Razberry Slime Co. Awesome slime. I'm definitely going to buy some more of yours and do a review on them. Awesome. And I have an order coming in from the Slime Dazzle. So stay tuned. I will be giving a review of that. And I'm going to get a lot of haters for this, but I'm going to do me because I am a Christian mom. And I believe in my God, and He wants me to give you scripture at the end of my reviews. So I am going to give a scripture at the end of every review that I do, and actually every video that I do, because whenever I have my son, we're gonna do a scripture at the very end too. So this is the scripture that I am going to give you. It's Psalms 33:20 through 22. We wait in hope for the Lord. He is our help and our shield. In Him our hearts rejoice, for we trust in His holy name. May your unfailing love be with us, Lord, even as we put our hope in you. So I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. I love you, and we'll see you later.